Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your post shareable. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to what's on your mind and here tap whatever you want to, like for example I tap something general. Now here you can see public, tap right here. Now here are the options, you can select one of them. If you want to make your post public, simply tap on public. If you want to make your post to show to your friends, simply just tap on the friends. But if you want to show your post to friends but except one of the friend, like you have to select those friends to whom you can hide your post. Just tap on only me and your post will be private from other pupils. So this is how you can easily make your post shareable. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.